So there is another settlement in the ongoing lawsuits involving sexual predator Jeffrey Epstein. After Deutsche Bank settled claims against it filed by Epstein's victims, now JPMorgan Chase has agreed to settle a lawsuit filed by the victims of Jeffrey Epstein's sex trafficking enterprise. The victims allege that the bank facilitated and enabled Epstein in his sex trafficking schemes and turned a blind eye to his conduct. A judge recently ruled the case could proceed as a class action, and JPMorgan Chase's CEO, Jamie Dimon, was recently deposed in the case. JPMorgan Chase will pay a whopping $290 million to Epstein's victims. Now, this is a very unique case and some excellent and creative lawyering done by the victims' attorneys. Typically in this type of case, your only target for relief is the person committing the crimes, here Jeffrey Epstein. But of course he's dead. So the victims' attorneys targeted third parties like these banks and aggressively litigated these cases, arguing that the banks knew or should have known what Epstein was doing, and by turning a blind eye, they enabled him in his criminal endeavors. That, coupled with the poor PR and salacious allegations, proved too much for these financial institutions, and they settled as a result. So now, between Deutsche Bank and JPMorgan Chase, the victims' attorneys have recovered an incredible $365 million, and that's not including about $120 million that Epstein's estate has already paid out to victims.